So guys, today I'm gonna do a video on Monkey. It's like Monkey is like an app where like FaceTime people randomly, and I'm gonna do the ugly challenge. Let's see how it's gonna stop. If you guys wanna see more videos like this, let me know. Okay? So it hurts. Okay, here we go. Okay, so we're gonna start. He's 19, he's from West. Hello? Hello? What's good? Like, what's up?
What's poppin'?
You wanna say hi to my YouTube channel? You wanna... You wanna take the big off so I can't? Yo. And the guys from Tinder, they be asking me what I on YouTube. I'm gonna send them this video. Come on, 2 people.
2 people?
Can you face them? Hello, what's up with y'all? Like, what's good? What's popping? Hello, honey. I time. 2 people again. Hello, what's popping, y'all? Y'all want to say hi to my YouTube channel? Y'all want to say hi to my YouTube channel? Time. I'm on YouTube, guys. Say hey. I'm a YouTuber. Subscribe to my channel, okay? Paris Fenty. Okay? You're gonna be on my channel. Say hi to YouTube, bitch. Say hi. Say hi. Bye. How you delete this shit? You don't want to say hi? When you go viral, don't comment. Because so what? You got a problem saying?
Look like you got smacked with a makeup box.
I did. So what? How you gonna bully me? How you gonna bully me? You don't think I'm cute?
I'm not bullying you. You're bullying yourself.
You don't think I'm cute?
You have a ducktail as a braid. It don't work.
Whatever.
Yeah, what? Don't pack that nasty shit.
Whatever, you mad because I got more hair than your mother. 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 I got more hair than your mama, son. I got more hair than your sister. Boy, I'm on you. Look at your hairline all the way in the back like LeBron James. Boy, I'm on you. You black as hell. Boy, I'm on you. You look like my toes. Boy, I'm on you. Boy, you done. Just like your mother. Just like your mother. Say hi to YouTube. I told you say hi to YouTube.
Well, what's up, YouTube?
I just said you're gonna go viral.
YouTube.
Go check my channel, okay?
You're going to be famous, bro. You're going to be famous,
check my
bro.
channel, Paris Fenty.
We live, baby.
What?
Yeah, you ain't
First of all, nigga, you look like you're 12. What you doing on Monkey? What you looking for? What you looking for? What you looking for? What you
Dick
looking
appointment,
for?
boy.
What you looking for? Dick appointment? You look like you gay. Bye. Papers, boy. I can't do this video no more. I can do this video. Oh my god, I'm shaking. I just got bullied, bro. Here's where you clapping that at me head. Hey daddy, what's up with you?
What's up?
What's poppin'? Add me on Snapchat. I'ma add you.
I'm trying to fuck though.
You wanna fuck? I wanna fuck too. Oh, you ugly. That's your dick. Oh. Yo, this kid, the battery is dying. Alright guys, I don't know if this is gonna be the last video or not, but subscribe to my channel. The battery's fucking dying. He's 19. Yo, what's up? What's poppin'?
Damn, I'll snatch up on here.
What you mean that you don't think? Boy, you turned me on. You
bald head.